Just a very brief note as a conclusion to our study on gases would be how us humans are messing up the balance of the atmospheric chemistry. Here's a clicker question I asked him one year. Um, which match which with which? But you don't know yet, so let me back up and show you a slide which will help us answer most of these. You've heard of acid rain, I hope. There's also acid snow and also all kinds of contaminants that enter into the clouds and water vapor of the air because of things we're burning and putting up, spewing up into the atmosphere. When we burn coal, it's a kind of a dirty burn. It doesn't burn completely, and also the sulfur enters up into the air as it combines to make sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, and that in turn kind of interacts with the water vapor of the air and the liquid droplets in the air to make sulfuric acid and sulfuric acid rain. So, moral of the story is burning coal is very dirty. We're more or less trying to get away from it, although we still do it quite a bit, even in Utah. NO2 gas, a byproduct of the burning of gasoline, also interacts with the water vapor of the air to creating nitric acid rain. The NO2 also interacts with the ultraviolets of the sunlight to bust apart a little bit here. Then that oxygen atom and this NO, also a radical, both radicals, both very reactive. The oxygen molecule can run into another oxygen. The oxygen atom can run into another oxygen molecule to make ozone, and also the NO can run into another oxygen molecule to make NO2, which goes back to the beginning again. So it's kind of a cycle. We call it a photochemical cycle or a photochemical smog. This ozone is not so good for anybody's health down here close to the earth. Up in the upper atmosphere, of course, it blocks ultraviolet, so it's helpful up there. But down here, it's the brown, icky, this NO2 and N2O4 are the brown, icky gases that hang over the valley in the summertime. It's a problem here. It's a problem in LA. And also, well, naturally, burning even methane, a natural gas, to give carbon dioxide and water. The carbon dioxide goes up into the atmosphere, interacts with the water, makes carbonic acid. So because we already have some carbon dioxide in our atmosphere naturally, carbonic acid rain is a bit natural. But do you think it's kind of questionable with regards to how much carbon dioxide we're putting up into the air as humans burning? So not only is CO2 a greenhouse gas, but it contributes to acid rain. Now we can probably answer these. So let's see, the burning of coal produces SO2, and that makes sulfuric acid rain. And in the order listed above, so how about sulfuric acid rain for the SO2? The NO2 contributes to nitric acid rain, and the O3 is part of what we call photochemical smog, and the combustion product of carbon dioxide as carbon burns in air to give carbon dioxide and water, carbonic acid rain. Scary. Don't drive so much.